The FelixKing Ergonomic Office Chair is designed with an ergonomic mesh back that aligns with the natural curve of your spine, offering substantial support for long working hours. Crafted from high-density natural sponge, this chair provides an expansive seating area and reduces discomfort, while the breathable mesh ensures optimal ventilation. A standout feature is its flip-up armrests that allow for easy storage under desks, making it a versatile choice for various rooms like living rooms, studies, and offices. The chair's adjustability includes a height range of 3.94 inches, a 360-degree swivel, and a 30-degree rocking tilt, delivering a customized seating experience. Smooth rolling casters enhance mobility, allowing you to move the chair effortlessly across different surfaces without causing damage. The FelixKing chair is easy to assemble, taking approximately 15 minutes with the included tools and instructions, and comes with reliable customer support for any issues.